Meaning of drip feed.
Drip feed.
Drip feed.
Drip feed.
Drip feed. Drip feed is a term often used in content marketing and refers to the process of releasing small amounts of new content over time, rather than releasing all of it at once. This can be done with blog posts, email campaigns, or social media updates. The result is that the audience is kept engaged and interested over a longer period of time, which can lead to stronger customer relationships and increased brand loyalty. Additionally, drip-feeding content can help to avoid overwhelming or bombarding the audience with too much information at once.